everyone, welcome to the Clean Catalog channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through how to generate a catalog PDF for your entire catalog. You may want to generate a new whole catalog PDF when changes have been made to your online catalog. We are on the home page of a course catalog. Keep in mind that each institution's catalog will look slightly different because Clean Catalog works with you to fully customize the design of your catalog while it's being built. To generate a new PDF, select Manage and then Content in the upper toolbar. Once you are on the content page, select PDF Generator from the Content Type dropdown. Select Filter to search. Depending on your catalog setup, one or more results may appear. If you don't see an Edit button, you likely don't have permissions to edit the PDF. Contact your campus administrator or email support@cleancatalog.com to get permission. Select Edit on the appropriate catalog or handbook you would like to generate. Here you can add a cover page or a back cover page. We advise you not to adjust the items under PDF sections unless you have been trained on this specifically. Next, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Save and Generate PDF. You will see a blue progress bar across the screen. Do not exit the page while this is happening. It may take a few minutes for the site to finish generating your PDF. That's all for today, but reach out to us if you have any questions about editing or using your new Clean Catalog software. You can also find a link in the description to a step-by-step PDF printout of this tutorial, which you can feel free to send to your faculty and staff.